get down with a bad boy flow. Now who for the mic, I take control.
My first ever event is happening in collaboration with Doro Sounds. The event is taking place on Friday, the 1st of April 2022. It's happening at a venue called Bar 11 in Nottingham. There's a link to buy tickets in the description, and these tickets are available on Skiddle. Headlining the event is... and we have myself, none other than and then you can see the full lineup here. Tickets are on sale on Skiddle, and there will be £10 tickets available on the door. There's also a link to the Facebook page in the description to keep you up to date. Can't wait to see you in the dance.